there, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Brockwell, and we're ready to do the dictation portion of our lesson today. If you have a paper and pencil, now is the time to use it. If you don't, no worries. Just spell the words out loud, and you can check our clean copy. All right, let's get started. The first word, laid. Say it with me. Laid. Pound it. Laid. Tap it. L-A-D. Write it. Check our clean copy. Laid. Next word. Paint. Say it with me. Paint. Pound it. Paint. Tap it. P-A-N-T. Write it. Check the clean copy. Read it. Paint. Ooh, did we get that N-T ending? It's kind of tough to hear. Next word. Clay. Say it with me. Clay. Pound it. Clay. Tap it. K-A. Write it. Clean copy. Read it with me. Clay. Next word. Spray. Say it with me. Spray. Pound it. Spray. Tap it. Spur-A. Write it. All right, let's check the clean copy. Spray. Ooh, look at that. S-P-R, spur-A, spray. All right, now we have a sentence. Listen up. I like to paint. Say it with me. I like to paint. Let's pound that. I like to paint. Write it. Let's check our copy. I like to paint. Did we use a capital letter to start our sentence? Did we choose the correct punctuation? Nice job. Now let's look at our red words. I, like, and to. If we spelled all of those correct, I want you to give yourself a double thumbs up. Nice job. Now let's look at this word paint. Did we remember that NT ending? Oh, nice job. That's learning right there. Good job, guys.